Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to know Kotlin version in Android Studio. So yeah, let's go and check it out. So what we need to do is we will go here at the top left corner to the top menu, click on it and then select File, and after that Settings. You can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt and S. It will open up settings here in Android Studio. All right, now second thing what we need to do is head over here to the plugins. On the left side you will see it just like that, and then select here installed tab. Now here we need to find Kotlin, so type in search bar Kotlin. All right, like that. And I have here Kotlin multi-platform, so I can also check the version of this one right over here, or this one, the second one right here, which is as a bundle. So yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can check Kotlin's version in Android Studio. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.